Amazon today has the 42mm GPS Apple Watch series, 10 for the new all-time low price of $366.28, down from $399. This sale is only available in the rose gold aluminum model, and Amazon provides an expected delivery date of October 28 for most United States residences. When you click a link and make a purchase, we may receive a small payment, which helps us keep the site running. Apple just launched the Series 10 models in September, so we haven't tracked particularly steep discounts as of yet, making this $32 markdown notable. There are also a few solid second-best prices on other 42mm GPS colors, like the Jet Black at $370. Oddly, the 46mm GPS Apple Watch Series 10 has hit $399 in multiple colors, down from $429. Specifically, you can get this record low price in rose gold, aluminum, both S/M and M/L sizes, and silver aluminum, same size options. If you're on the hunt for more discounts, be sure to visit our Apple Deals Roundup, where we recap the best Apple-related bargains of the past week. If you enjoyed the content, don't forget to subscribe to stay updated. Like the video if you found it helpful, and drop a comment below with your thoughts or questions. Your support helps the channel grow. If you enjoyed the content, don't forget to subscribe to stay updated. Like the video if you found it helpful, and drop a comment below with your thoughts or questions. Your support helps the channel grow.